Holiday Latte Magic, the ultimate Christmas cookie. Sip! Hey, coffee lovers and holiday bakers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're whipping up something extra magical, the Christmas Cookie Latte Swap Holiday Latte Magic, the ultimate Christmas cookie sip. Hey, coffee lovers and holiday bakers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're whipping up something extra magical, the Christmas Cookie Latte Swap, a cozy drink that tastes like your favorite holiday cookies melted right into a creamy, dreamy latte. If you adore gingerbread, sugar cookies, snickerdoodles, or anything sweet and spiced, this drink is going to be your new seasonal obsession. Let's jump right into this festive flavor swap. To make this delicious drink, here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, any kind you like, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cookie butter or crushed Christmas cookies, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 shots of hot espresso, whipped cream, crushed cookies or festive sprinkles for topping. All right, let's build this Christmas masterpiece. Directions. Step 1. Melt the cookie magic. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, warm the milk, heavy cream, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, and cookie butter, or crushed Christmas cookies. Stir slowly until everything is smooth, creamy, and fragrant. Like fresh cookies straight from the oven. Don't let it boil. Step 2. Brew the espresso. Pull 2 fresh shots of espresso. The bold flavor balances perfectly with the sweet spiced cookie mixture. Step 3. Combine and sip. Pour the warm, cookie-infused milk over your espresso. Stir gently, then top with whipped cream. Finish with crushed cookies or holiday sprinkles for that magical Christmas sparkle. And there you have it. The Christmas Cookie Latte Swap, a cozy cup of holiday cheer that tastes like Christmas morning in every sip. If you try this recipe, tag me so I can see your festive creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more holiday drinks. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffeelover.